defect, lung problems, or other serious injury. Call the Goldwater Law Firm right now.
Call 1-800-342-6767.
If you owe $10,000 or more to the IRS or state, this may be the most important phone call you'll ever make.
I owed $50,000 in taxes. But listen.
Your tax problem is settled. You only owe $8,400.
What a great message.
If you owe $10,000 or more to the IRS or state, then you owe it to yourself to call this number. Let our experts help guide you through the process of negotiating a tax settlement. Call this number or go to tax10000.com.
You're watching Tango Traffic. Traffic when you need it, 24/7.
If you see a faded sign at the side of the road that says 15 miles to the Love Shack, yeah.
Valentin. Is it Valentin or Valentine, Andrew? Hit us up and let us know. We just don't know. But he said, Victoria, you've just jinxed yourself.
Andrew, come on. Don't do me like that.
Oh, wow.
Don't do. Why am I this way?
You put it out there. You put it out there in the universe, man. It's physics. It has to come back. It doesn't have the energy. Doesn't have anywhere else to go.
Well, speaking of 95 southbound, we seem to have an accident around 320.
Ding, ding, ding. See? Welcome back to Tango Traffic. Traffic when you need it 24/7. It's 5:30 on Monday, June 6, 2011, and we have an accident.
We do.
Thank you very much, Victoria Wood.
Hey, this is not my fault. No, really, folks, I didn't want to say it, but I just have word vomit sometimes, and things just like, that's what it is. But really, I thought we were pretty much in the clear. Not as far as volume. We have been having a lot of volume, but we haven't really seen any incidents pop up on our majors until now. Sorry, I didn't mean it. I didn't want that.
I think the roadways are going to be perfect.
Okay, great. Well, let's take a look at some speeds and see if you're right, Steph. Definitely a little not perfect. Traveling on 202, very slow, even on both ends of 202. Northbound, the ramp towards the Schuylkill, southbound from Chesterbrook Boulevard to 401. And folks, it is confirmed. We do have an accident southbound on 95 just at Route 320, and that accident is blocking the right lane. So keep that in mind if that's where you're going. Speeds are dropping on the Blue Route. In addition to that, on that northbound side from 95 through to Media, only about 12 miles per hour, and 95's looking slow as well. We'll get to all of those in the tour, but let's talk about what I was just talking about. Southbound 95 approaching Route 320, that's Providence Avenue. We do have an accident which is blocking the right lane, so expect some delays as you move past the Blue Route. And as you're making your way in Northeast Philly, in the Longcrest section, just at the intersection of Bly and Whitaker, we have an accident that's been out there for a little bit now. And as we move our way into New Jersey, Camden County, Gloucester Township, Sicklerville Road is still closed between Garwood Road and Jarvis Road. Johnson is your best alternate through that stretch, and you definitely want to use some caution traveling in Toms River Township in central New Jersey, because eastbound on Route 37 just past Mule Road we have a sinkhole which is blocking the right lane, so be aware of that. Let's take a look at 95 right now and Stephanie Humphrey.
Thank you very much. Well, again, 95 in this time around, northbound not looking so bad right here at Ray Street, but we are still going to say generally slow from the Ben Franklin Bridge up through Cotman Avenue, but you can see everybody's moving along at a pretty decent clip, but you are going to need some time to get up into the northeast. And we have another shot of 95 for you where you can see a few cars still out there on that northbound side, but we're looking at the southbound headlights in this shot right here past Cotman Avenue, a little bit heavy through this stretch. You do have that ongoing work zone right here at Cotman, and maybe some folks getting a little bit of a head start on the game there, because you're at 19 minutes now to get downtown from Woodhaven to the Vine. That's a trip that should only take you 15, excuse me. So we have added some time to our southbound commute as well. On the Schuylkill Expressway, things are still slow, but not as bad as they were. Eastbound, take a look. You're still going to see some delays right here at 202 on that eastbound side, from about 202 down through the Conshohocken area. Westbound, no delays here, just some slowage from Gulf Mills out through 202. But downtown, Now it's all backed up again. It was a little bit lighter before. Now we're seeing lots of delay right here at Spring Garden Street. Eastbound, you're going to be slow from Montgomery all the way through to University. Westbound, you can see slow through this stretch at Spring Garden out through Belmont. So it's ebbing and flowing, folks. The Schuylkill Expressway is very dynamic this afternoon. About 30 to 35 minutes, though, on either side of the roadway between 202 and the Vine. Now, on the Vine Street Expressway, you can still forget about that eastbound side. You're still jammed solid from the Schuylkill out through. Actually, we're seeing something. We have somebody that is actually broken down on the side. Someone that Andy, I'm being told in my ear that our CFO Andy is actually on the side of the road. That has not been confirmed, but Andy is on the side of the road there on the ramp to the northbound side of 95 from the Vine Street Expressway. Because there are delays there, it is now Andy's fault. He is out there off to the shoulder. You can see kind of partially blocking part of that right lane. So big delays eastbound on 676 now, trying to get to 95. Westbound, however, you should be okay. On the boulevard, things don't look too bad. No real problems in this area just off the Schuylkill, but you are going to see some slowage approaching Wissahickon Avenue on that northbound side. Southbound, you should be okay. On the Blue Route, still seeing all those delays out there. They're not going anywhere, and they're actually starting to get a little bit bigger on 476 northbound. From 95 to Media, you're going to be slow, but southbound is where we're seeing the heavier delays from about Upper Darby down to Media, and now you're about a half an hour to get to 95, so just keep that in mind. On the Northeast Extension, also keep in mind that accident on 95. I forgot to mention that again. Southbound 95 jam from Ridley Park down to about 420 Providence Avenue 320 due to an accident blocking the right lane. But right here on the Northeast Extension, 10 minutes will get you from the Turnpike to Lansdale. Let's go back outside to 202 because you're going to need about 20 minutes to get you from the Schuylkill down to Route 30 on that southbound side. Northbound, a little slow through this stretch at 29, and then you're going to be jammed approaching the Schuylkill Expressway. On 422, we're also seeing some pretty big delays westbound from about Trooper Road to just past Oaks. Eastbound, you'll be in the clear. And on that Pennsylvania Turnpike, expect nothing but a clear ride, but we are starting to pick it up a little bit on that eastbound side. You're at 26 minutes now between Valley Forge and Bensalem. Eastbound, 23 minutes on that westbound side. Let's send it over to Victoria to check on your commute in New Jersey.
Thank you, Stephanie. Well, we have a couple things going on in New Jersey, still dealing with that delay on 295, and boy, oh boy, is that getting lengthy. From 73 all the way down to 561, expect delays on the southbound side of 295. That's actually stretching from Route 38 now to 561. Outside of the 42 freeway, we're also seeing big delays. The Turnpike's moving well, but 42, very heavy from 130 down to 55. Once you get to 55, southbound, you're jammed approaching the Deptford exit to pass that point from an earlier accident. But northbound, no delays towards your bridges. All of your bridges look great. SEPTA running on time. Sports Express is leaving every 10 minutes starting at 6:08 for that Phillies game versus the Dodgers. Go Phils. And no major delays at the airport, but keep it right here. We've got a lot more in this rush hour commute, and we have all the details. We'll be right back with more.
This segment of Tango Traffic brought to you by WPHL 17, home of the Phillies.
An important message for everyone who's been turned down for health insurance or think they can't afford it. With just one call, Synergy Health and Life can get you started with health insurance that's designed to be affordable.